Move the part to the right place. It's time to fuel. Timber loader. Amazing! Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Tap the screen to keep building. Go on. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. Let's shift into gear to start moving. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Pull the lever up for the vehicle to move. Choose the next game. Tap on the car wash to wash the vehicle. Tap on the garage to fix the vehicle. We need to wash. Timber loader. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Build your own vehicle park. First, we need to assemble. Hydraulic hammer. Ready. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Let's tap on the object to remove it from the road. Tap on the objects one, that's all. Let's crack the biggest rocks. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's remove the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stain. Now it's your turn. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. First, we need to assemble. Bulldozer. Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. That's all. We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Bulldozer. Done! Hooray!